in this session, first we will calculate the total surface area of cube. For that we will need this color printout and a printout with surface area calculation. First of all, we will cut this template along the border. Now we will fold these sides along these dotted lines. You can use the ruler to fold this side like this. Now we have to stick this surface here. For that, apply the glue on back side of this surface like this. Now we have to thread the string through these holes. So here we have to carefully observe the pattern of threading. First of all, we will insert the needle from this hole like this and take it out. Follow the pattern carefully. Make a knot of these two threads like this. Now the shape is ready. We will test it. Is it working properly or not? Here 2D net is get converted into 3D cube. Now we will calculate the total surface area of cube. For that, we need surface area of these 6 squares. These 6 squares are equal. So the sides of this square is also equal. So to find out the surface area of A, we need to measure the side. Here the side is 5.1 centimeter. So we will write here 5.1 square equals to 26.01 centimeter square. This is the area of square A. So the area for each square is same. Therefore, we will write here total surface area is equals to 6 into 26.01, which is equals to 156.06 centimeter square. Now we will paste this template on the cardboard. So first of all, we will apply the glue on edges of this cardboard. Now we will paste the template. Like this, we have find out total surface area of cube from 2D shape. Follow the same process to find out total surface area of cone. So first of all, we will cut